Coasters are a great decoupage project no matter if they are slate, wood or cork. For paper napkin decoupage you need a white background so your image will be bright and colorful. With slate I only paint the raised areas. I do the same with wood and cork coasters. I apply decoupage glue only on the white area, place the napkin on the glue and lightly smooth it out with my fingers. Then I take plastic wrapping and place it on the napkin. This way I can press as hard as I want to and the napkin will not tear. Always take care of the edges. With cork, be mindful of any cork particles that tend to break off and remove them before you decoupage your napkin. To remove the edges on a slate coaster, I apply decoupage glue over the napkin. Because the napkin is now wet, it easily tears off the edge if I pull downwards. Unfortunately, some of the edges have just a bit of napkin and I was not able to pull it off. Excess napkin on wood and cork can easily be sanded off with a fine sanding pad. I then apply Polyvine Decorator's varnish to protect the napkin. Only decoupage glue is not enough in this case, as any hot cups will reactivate the glue and stick on the coaster. Also, giving the napkin a nice coat of varnish will make it easier to paint the edges. With slate you have the option to leave it black or paint it. It is so easy to paint slate. I chose vintage paint metallic gold for this edge. I do recommend you paint the edge of cork coasters, as this also helps to seal in cork particles. The coasters are finished. Same napkin, different materials, different looks. Which one do you prefer? Please like, subscribe and comment. It all helps to get these videos out there. Thank you for watching and see you next time.